Hey, we're the Bellavotti Brothers and we're here at Magic Kingdom. Guess what? The train is back and we're gonna give you first hand of those most magical train ride in the entire world.
There are two trains here. One is called Walt and the other Lily. This is in honor of Walt Disney and his wife Lillian.
And here's the first stop. It stops right at Splash Mountain. The coolest thing is that it's completely full now because they're going to be remodeling it soon. And so we'll definitely be back to see how it looks.
Already know how much I love minding this railroad.
Second stop is Fantasyland.
Unidentified users detected in upload conduit area.
So we just went around the entirety of Disney's Railroad, and it's really cool because they have commentary in the middle, but it's mostly just a transportation vehicle. Not supposed to be Splash Mountain or Space Mountain, but it's a really nice way to just enjoy the view behind everything and behind the magic. So we just got off on Fantasyland, and this is gonna be the end of this video because now we're gonna go around and enjoy the park. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you get the chance, definitely make sure to go on the railroad, and we'll see you all next time. Bye guys!
Make sure that you subscribe and like so that we can continue to give you up-to-date information on all things that are going around the 25-mile radius of Cinderella's castle, because this is truly a magical place to live.